Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Facebook and signing in. Go straight to your profile and choose Settings and Privacy. Once there, open Activity Log so you capture everything tied to your account. Next, use the Filter or Categories menu and pick Media or Videos. This focuses only on video plays, uploads, and interactions. Make sure to select the right time range if needed. By starting here, you avoid scrolling feeds and get direct access to the history you want. Once done with filtering, use the Activity Log search box to enter keywords, video titles, or creator names so you find specific clips. Then apply date filters to narrow months or years, and add interaction type filters like watched, liked, or shared to isolate behaviors. If you used multiple devices, filter by app or device to avoid duplicates. As you review results, open each entry to confirm the exact video, because titles and timestamps explain why it appeared in your history. To finish, remove unwanted entries by tapping the three-dot menu on each item and choosing Delete or Hide. This updates recommendations. Then clear watch history or adjust recommendation settings to prevent repeats. If items aren't showing, make sure to sync and update the app, since outdated versions can omit recent activity. If syncing fails, check device activity and connected apps. Sometimes third-party players don't log properly. Finally, sign out and back in as a quick reset if things still look wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.